Hi everyone, welcome to Varam Nutra. Today I'm going to take you to Kumbakonam, a temple city, to visit the holy Mahamaham tank, and we are going to see all the details associated with this tank and the significance of the Mahamaham festival that is celebrated once in 12 years. Kumbakonam is a city in the Tanjore district in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It's located 40 km from Tanjore and 275 km from Chennai. It's well connected by road and rail. The nearest airport is Trichirappalli Airport. The city is bounded by two rivers, the Kaveri to the north and Arasalar River to the south. As per Hindu legend, after the end of each era, the whole world immerses in a deluge due to the anger of Lord Shiva for the sins committed by humans in earth. Lord Brahma, the Hindu god of creation, recreated the world during the start of the current Kali Yuga. Lord Shiva declared that after the end of previous era, a divine pot would reach a holy spot. As per the divine pot reached Kumbakonam, Lord Shiva, in the form of a hunter, broke the pot with an arrow. The pot broke into many parts and scattered around, which became the cause of so many temples in this holy town. The temples are Kumbeshwara, Someshwara, Kasi Vishwanatha, Nageshwara, Kamanta Vishwanatha, Abhimugeshwara, Gautameshwara, Panaburishwara, Varahar, Lakshmi Narayana, Sarangabani, Chakrabani and Varadarajar. Lord Brahma prayed to Lord Shiva to allow pilgrims to visit the tank during the sacred occasion. Lord Shiva acceded to the demand and is believed to arrive along with Lord Vishnu and other celestial deities at the center of the tank. Astronomically, when the planet Jupiter passes over Leo on the day of the festival, it is believed to bring all water bodies together and enrich the tank with minerals. The tank is located in the heart of Kumbakonam town. It covers an area of 21 acres and is trapezoidal in shape. The tank is surrounded by 16 small mandabas and has 21 wells inside the tank. The names of the wells carry the name of Hindu god Shiva or that of rivers of India. Brahmatirtheshwarar, Mugundeshwarar, Taneshwarar, Vrishabeshwarar, Paraneshwarar, Koneshwarar, Bhaktikeshwarar, Paireshwarar, Agastishwarar, Vyasakeshwarar, Umapakeshwarar, Nirudishwarar, Brahmleshwarar, Gangateshwarar, Muktatirtheshwarar, Seshatarabaleshwarar are the names of deities located in these mandabas. There are 21 wells inside the tank in the shape of small spring wells. The name of the Tirthams are Vayu Tirtham, Ganga Tirtham, Brahma Tirtham, Yamuna Tirtham, Kubera Tirtham, Godavari Tirtham, Ishana Tirtham, Narmada Tirtham, Saraswati Tirtham, Indra Tirtham, Agni Tirtham, Kaveri Tirtham, Yama Tirtham, Kumari Tirtham, Niruti Tirtham, Bayoshini Tirtham, Deva Tirtham, Varunai Tirtham, Sharayu Tirtham and Kanya Tirtham. Masi Maham is an annual event that occurs in the Tamil month of Masi, that comes in the month of February or March, and it occurs in the star of Magam. Once in 12 years, when the planet Guru enters the sign Simha, that is Leo, the Kumbh Mela festival of South India is celebrated at Mahamaham tank. Vast crowd gather at Kumbakonam to take a dip in the tank along with saints and philosophers. All the rivers of India are believed to meet at the tank on this day, and a purificatory bath at this tank on this day is considered equal to the combined depths in all the holy rivers of India. Festival deities from all the temples in Kumbakonam arrive at the tank, and at noon all the deities bathe along with the devotees. It is called Tirthavari. The purificatory bath is believed to remove all the sins. ஏற்றமார் காசி ஆதி எவ்விடத்தேனும் சென்றும் போற்று நீர் மூழ்கினாலும் புனர்ப்பயன் ஒன்றுமில்லை சாற்றாரும் எல்லா தீர்த்தப்பயன் எல்லாம் சாருமாறு மாற்றரும் புனிதமான மகா தீர்த்தம் முழுகல் வேண்டும். ஒருவர் செய்த பாவங்கள் புண்ணிய தலங்களில் உள்ள தீர்த்தங்களில் நீராடினால் அகலும். அப்புண்ணிய தலங்களில் வாழ்வோர் செய்த பாவங்கள் காசியில் உள்ள கங்கையில் நீராடினால் அகலும். காசியில் உள்ளோர் செய்த பாவங்கள் கும்பகோணம் தீர்த்தத்தில் நீராடினால் விலகும். கும்பகோணத்தில் இருப்பவர்கள் செய்த பாவங்கள் கும்பகோணத்தில் உள்ள தீர்த்தத்தில் நீராடினால் விலகும் என்பது ஐதீகம். Sekilar, saint author of Periya Puranam, notes the holy rivers as பூமருவும் கங்கை முதல் புனிதமாம் பெருந்தீர்த்தம் மாமகந்தான் ஆடுவதற்கு வந்து வழிபடுங்கோவில். Meaning, a dip in the holy tank on the Mahamaham day is equivalent to dip in all holy rivers and leads to worldly prosperity. The last Mahamagam was celebrated on 22nd February 2016, and over 1 million people from various places took the holy dip in the Mahamagam tank. The next Mahamagam is to be celebrated on 2028. Hope you enjoyed watching Mahamaham tank. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, share these videos with your friends and families, and do hit the like button. Thanks for watching Varam Nutra.